Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
The house is the best deal ever. There are three homes in one. Downstairs, there's a self contained studio with a two-bedroom, one-bathroom unit to the front. Upstairs is a newly built home with three bedrooms and one bathroom. There's a fabulous kitchen that anchors the living and dining room area. The house is located in a beautiful family community of Brunswick Avenue, very near to shopping centers, schools, and hospital. The highway is also less than 5 minutes away. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $195,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.